Till now, I have spoke to CM Sahab, DCM Sahab and our revenue minister. Now I am talking to our local minister also. And that picture also I will show you here. This how the machine is there. Okay. Then this machine, already I have sent the message that Baba you start from there, whatever the plus minus fees or any requirement of the documents, we are ready to do that. But it will take minimum 3 to 4 days. And with 3 to 4 days, Ishwar told if the river is calm, immediately you call me, he will be here within 3 hours, he told. Okay. And with depend on Mr. Ishwar and this particular machine, if it is coming early, then we will start the process. And I called Director of Ports also, Mr. Swami is here from the left hand side. And I am talking to him with the draft and all these things. It is a 0.7 meter draft is there. It is a very good draft. If we can bring it here, we can push from here also. That methodology we have. And that is subject to their clearance with the road and all. It has to suit in the trailer. From the river or from the sea, it is not possible because sea mouth is totally rough. Yesterday also I went. Today also some people have told that some sort of smell is there. Immediately we rushed with SDRF and we have seen there, but nothing was there. Some fish, dead fish we got. That also we have told them this is nothing but this smell of it is fish also. Then they have confirmed because totally more than 50 to 100 people were there. Then immediately our Ishwar came to that spot and he told, I will, if you want, I will dive. Then he also confirmed that this smell is not on that particular, this is only fish. And after that, we were trying from this side. Now it is very difficult to say all this. Now evening, our district minister is reaching in Karwar. We are having one more meeting. What is next course of action we have to take? And already we are talking to CM and Deputy CM also. Now we will have to take a call after once he is reached in Karwar. So this is the position. Nothing has been hidden or nothing has been taken wrong statement or nothing like that. It is very crystal clear because with our brother Arjun, our people are there again and again. I am saying there also his daughter, our Jagannath's daughter is requesting us to bring one shirt what he has weared. At least some bone also she is telling like that. It's our duty to work on both the sides. We know we don't have that type of differentiation between Kerala and all these things. We are all Indians. We have to work together. Our district administration, police department, SDRF, NDRF. Particularly, I am again taking Ishwar's name. Okay. And with Ishwar's efforts, today NDRF person also told that I will also go to the water. It is how we have tried our level best, but we have not achieved. And till the further course of meeting and all these things, we will take the decision and we will call you back.
Sir, this vessel-mounted equipment, it is coming from Kerala?
No, it is Tiruchi.
Tamil Nadu.
Tiruchi.
The equipment comes, you stop.
No, till that what we can do, you tell me. You tell me what we have to do, you tell me. I told you, Ishwar has told only 3 hours prior information. 3 hours. Because he is in Malpe only, Udupi. He will come. And if you want, that you can cross-check with Ishwar also.
Sir, you have communicated with CM Siddaramaiah?
Yes, Siddaramaiah ji, DK Shivkumar, they were working on that. Okay. But only we have to see that again, we have to load into the truck, means that is a trailer.
Okay.
And the trailer should not be stuck in between, something should not happen. That they have to take care on that side.
Okay.
Here no problem. Karnataka, our SP has told. ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಬಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಇಫ್ ದ That is also depend on this water situation, but we can make the
This vessel is coming through by
no,
road
not
or
coming. Was we have discussed, we have not confirmed. We have discussed, we have told, we are ready to pay any sort of legal
But MLA sir, it is coming by road.
road only. It has to come by sea. It is impossible.
Only discussing. This is not master plan is not yet confirmed.
Master plan, no, it is all master plan, nothing. We have Ishwar, we have done any master plan. No, just we have called Ishwar, your presence is required for this.
I am
sir,
asking about
whether
bringing
they-
that vessel. Any it's confirmed or the discussion is going on?
No, no, he told that he will confirm, but you have to see the discussion is on based on
Yeah.
only vehicle boss.
Okay. That's why I'm asking.
That vehicle has to tell, no?
And it will take minimum 4 days.
Minimum.
So till minimum 4 days you stop.
Ishwar will continue, sir.
But that we will discuss with now our local minister. Local minister has to take a call along with CM and deputy CM. I am not an authority for that. Whatever the best possibility I want to do, I have done. Whatever the best possibility, district administration and whatever the best possibility from Department of Police, all we have done. But we are now facing and we are waiting for the discussion has to be done with waiting with that fellow, our local minister.
When will it happen?
Now, what time he will come? Around 6:30 or 7 o'clock in Karwar. Karwar 6:30 or 7 o'clock he will come. At that time we will discuss.
We'll release the press.
We will release the press.
What meteorological predictions for the next 3 weeks? The rains will go on like this, or the
That raining is there till now. Till next week, till the September, also 21 days rain is there. That is what we are getting the info from our. Yeah. Okay.
okay, so Navy has already
Navy.
Whether the Navy people will continue here, NDRF and Navy people will continue.
No, boss. It is Navy people are here only 10 kilometers.
Okay.
They'll do.
And Ishwar is hardly 120 kilometers. You people are for 160 kilometers. We will do that, boss. Okay. Don't be upset and give the this thing prayer to God. Please make the prayer to God. And I'm telling this his mother and sister, wife
So
to.
this equipment is owned by which organization? This stuff?
It is a agriculture department. Because that Balli antarala, that is removing that.
Okay.
Okay.
Agriculture Department of Tamil Nadu government.
Yes.
for the person going to participate in that meeting, 6:30 meeting.
6:30, our local, our administration along with this MLA, our honorable minister.
Maybe expect a press meet or press release.
Press release they will make, no? 7 o'clock.
Press meet.
Press
We'll do a press release.
release.